candles blew out, I was dismantled and lost it. The summer winds came with your voice so soft, and the ocean moved. When I first saw you, I swear the ocean moved. You took my hand, I felt my heartbeat rising. I slowed you down, saying, don't go. The way I wanted you was so surprising. You looked back and said, I know. So where we're going, you won't need a suitcase, baby, right now. Why don't you lie down for a minute before you just leave town? I'm gonna make you make the sweetest of sounds. I want you.
It was a dark night, but there just happened to be just enough glow from the streetlight hitting your face just right, letting you see how you could not hide what we both did and say. Our eyes were both asking, did you feel it too? How the ocean just moved when you looked my